Hey everyone, in this video I am going talking about how to use Servlet Context. Servlet Context. For every web application, a Servlet Context object is created by the web container. Servlet Context object is used to get configuration information from deployment descriptor, which will be able to any servlet or JSP that are part of the web app. Some important method of servlet context method and description. Object method returns the container attribute with the given name or null if there is no attribute by that name string. Return the parameter value for the suffix parameter name or null if the parameter does not exist. Enumeration return the name of the context initialization parameters as an enumeration of string object void. Set an object with the given attribute name in the application scope. Void remove attribute. This one is set attribute. Void set attribute. Remove the attribute with the suffix name of the application context. How context parameter is initialized inside web XML. This like this. How to get the object of servlet context. Servlet context app. Advanced stage of servlet context. Provide the communication between servlet available to all servlet and JSP that are part of the web app used to get configuration information from web XML. Difference between context in parameters and servlet in parameters. Context in parameters, servlet parameters available to servlet and JSPs that are part of web, available to only servlet for which the frame was configured. Context in parameters are initialized with the web app, not within a specific servlet element. Initialize with the servlet each spec servlet. This example code servlet context.